Chip down! In your car. No, I never want to go home, but I haven't got love anymore. Take me out tonight, 'cause I want to see people and I want to still lie. Driving in your car, oh please don't throw me home, 'cause it's not my home, it's a home and I welcome no more.
Cut! Hey!
And if a double-decker bus crashes into us tonight by your side, it's that you never the way to die. And if a 10-ton truck kills the bus tonight by your side, well, the pleasure is mine. Take me out tonight. Take me anywhere, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. And if I die and the best of that's not my choice to live. But the strength to choose me the chance to live. And if a double-decker bus crashes into us tonight by your side, such a heavenly way to die. And if a ten-ton truck kills the butterfly tonight by your side, and the pleasure of the village night. There is the light and no the doubt. There